Welcome to your bonus page video. Share the excitement. The bonus page video is a key component that is usually often missed by affiliates when creating bonus offers. The bonus video is critical to having a great bonus offer that is going to resonate with your audience and build the excitement you need to have a great promotion. You want to share your excitement about the product and your bonus and how your bonus can help them. Start by making a video showing how interesting and exciting your product is and your bonuses are. Those little bonuses really do make the vendor's product irresistible, and showing something that is special to be purchased makes a very appealing impression. To generate interest and excitement, you should promote how helpful your bonus is. For many reasons, a product review would help you to improve your conversions and have a chance to gain more sales. Product reviews are so good for your bonus offers, but they are not that easy as the ABCs. There are countless numbers of benefits for you to gain from writing or recording product reviews. You can make more affiliate sales quickly when you deliver the inside view to a potential customer because they can see exactly what they are buying. By having a product review, you will establish more authority and integrity because you show them exactly what they will purchase. Not all affiliates can get review access to the products, so you can provide more value to them. In addition, you are more knowledgeable of the product and you've earned their confidence. There are several steps in creating a good product review. First is to get to know the product. To know the product better, you might use the product, see the product, or even own it. Secondly, be honest to earn more affiliate sales. Of course, you don't want to hurt somebody's feelings, but you have to tell the truth about the product. Don't worry much if you write something that made someone upset. Thirdly, in making reviews, consider that people would stop reading and think that they have all the information already about it. Make sure that all the important information is seen first. It's highly recommended to include the product's unique features that people will find most useful and include an image of the product. If the product is delivered through a members area, try and get access from the vendor so that you can give a virtual tour to your subscribers. By walking them through all the different sections of the members area, be sure to include the upgraded sections. This will help your conversions to not only the front-end sale, but also the upsells throughout the funnel. Because they are seeing everything they are getting when they upgrade, they won't have to think about the one-time offers as they appear. They'll already have made up their minds to purchase. The first thing you should know about a good bonus is that they are designed to add value and make potential customers feel comfortable about their purchase. A bonus should be something that increases the value of a product and makes it more appealing to the customer. It has to offer something good and helpful. For that reason, they will decide to purchase the product. In addition, a bonus should be something feasible. You have to make sure that people are also convinced that the great bonus you are offering is existing or realistic. In order to show that your bonus fits the product, it should complement what you are promoting. Yet there are still many people who use bonuses that have nothing to do with the main product itself because they think that offering and giving away anything and everything will add the perceived value of their program. Say, for example, if you were selling a Photoshop tutorial video and the bonus of the product is a digital audio workstation, it wouldn't really work. If the bonus of the product were something that is really unrelated and different, it would be more likely ignored. A product that would be more appropriate and suited for the given example should be something that a designer would desire. Since you are targeting designers as your potential customer, the bonus should be something that would help the designer. For instance, a designing template, tool, and any helpful thing about designing are relevant bonuses. This would show the relevance of your bonus to its main product, making the bonus itself useful to the main product. This is definitely a compelling reason for people to buy the product through your affiliate link. Now remember, your bonus video is critical to tying in your bonus to the main product to increase your overall conversions. This is achieved by providing a bonus that fits and supports the product and is realistic in what you can deliver. Most importantly, make it exciting. Now I'm going to leave you with this final quote. Without leaps of imagination or dreaming, we lose the excitement of possibilities. Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning. I'll see you in the next video.